So how can you turn on the silent mode on your Android phone? And let's get started. So you have a few options. You can begin by simply swiping down to access the control center, and then you have all of the controls right here. So find the one which is looking like a speaker phone, and you can switch between the mute, sound turn on, and a vibration mode. So naturally, this is just a very quick way how you can turn on a silent mode, right? You just switch to the either complete mute or just vibrate and your phone will be silent. You should also note that you can hold down on it and it moves you over into the settings specifically. And you can also just play around with some other settings like the call vibration and notification vibration and some things like specific ringtones and volume, system sound, and you have more control right here. But it goes even deeper than that because you can find modes and routines in the settings as well. And this is a place where you can set up a specific mode based on your activity. So you might turn on a work mode, and there you can pick the do not disturb mode and choose specifically which apps and which contacts can and cannot contact you or override the silent mode, right? So this goes a little deeper, right? Because you can, let's say that you can pick a few people which can call you and will not be silent, but everything else will be silenced, right? So you can just check it out right here. Same thing for a third party as well as built-in apps. So very useful stuff. And you can even schedule this mode to turn on automatically. So very useful feature if you ask me. So this is a little bit deeper than just turning on the silent mode. So it depends on what you like and what your preferences are. These are the options available. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it, or more specifically or importantly, which is the option which you decided to go with. Was it just a plain silent mode, or did you go for something a little bit more in a depth like the work and like modes and routines, right? So let me know about that. Subscribe for more and I'll catch you later.